Hello, welcome to May's episode of Connect, Inspire, and Grow, your monthly dose of guidance to inspire wellness. This series is brought to you by Area 11 Extension Health and Human Sciences Educators. I am Kirani Sarko, Health and Human Sciences Educator in Allen County. For the month of May, we are focusing on well-being in gardening. Well-being in gardening. So my learning objective, there are two of them here. Learn how gardening can improve overall well-being and understand the financial and the health benefits of gardening. To start this presentation, let me start by asking, do you do gardening and why? I want you to stop for a moment and think about if you garden or if you do not garden and why. Physical benefits of gardening. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, physical activity is one of the best things people can do to improve their health. Using hand tools when gardening, it helps in lifting, squatting, pushing, pulling, and stepping without even realizing it. It is vital for healthy aging and can reduce the burden of chronic disease and prevent early death. 150 minutes per week of moderate to intensity level activity is recommended. Another benefits of gardening, while we are out in gardening, we would get sunlight, and sunlight is an important source of vitamin D that could help bone strength and brain function. Gardening also has social and emotional benefits, because when we are out in gardening, we will spend time with family. That would give us social interaction, strengthen family relationships, family bonding, community building. So it's really important. In addition to the physical benefits of gardening, it could also help reduce depression, anxiety symptoms, stress, mood disturbance, and even body mass index. Also, when do gardening, which means growing your own food, which can help you eat better. When you prepare food from your own garden, it is fresh, pesticide or chemical free, and the food is more nutritious and it tastes better. Plus, it saves you money on grocery. According to Consumer Report, gardening also helps to improve your home value because a property with a beautiful gardening and landscape, it will appreciate the value of your home. Another thing, indoor plants. Add house plants to your living space. You can have some plants even in your home, which improve indoor air quality, humidify air, increase mental well-being, provide a sense of purpose, even sometimes aromatherapy. Some plants, some herbal and plants could have some type of therapy, but again, gardening has many benefits. So there are some community gardens. So find where they are located in your community, then join a community garden. For example, during the pandemic, community gardens helped fill the gap in fresh produce when supply chain was impacted, and provide also safe outdoor activity. So gardening has so many benefits. I guess then you might be asking yourself, how do you get started? How do I start? So there are good questions to ask yourself. One, what are my priorities? Do you want a vegetable plant garden or just to make it beautiful, flowers and stuff? What do I want to do? What does my space offer? Some of us, we might just need indoor plant. We may not have space. Can I do what I want in my space? Do I have the space? So asking those questions. So the bottom line is do what you can with what you have got. So you may not have everything. Some of us, we may be able to just do planting in a pot just inside, or our porch outside. Some of us, we might have a raised bed garden. Some of us, we might need to join a community garden. Whatever that may be, do what you can with what you have got. As we are just starting the gardening season, I would just encourage you, take the time to get outdoors, enjoy the sunshine with family and friends, and also get benefit from exercise while gardening. Save money and enjoy fresh produce. I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and I hope you take the I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and I hope you take advantage of the many benefits of gardening. Thank you.